young adults who need more nutrition not only for the physical and mental body but also for the psychological and emotional well-being.
Psychological and emotional well-being. Samji?
Samji, young individuals lead to a healthy nation.
So it's time we invest our energy in a positive upbringing of our young children. We should not and cannot give up on them. Having nutritious food is their basic right, and we cannot deprive them of that.
Yes, and surprisingly, nutritious food do not have to be fanciful as hyped by the market. A simple poha and upma can be made nutritious by adding lots of veggies, spices, and nuts.
Veggies, spices and nuts. Samji?
Samji.
Cheap and humble fruits like bananas can add to your child's regular diet.
Banana. Lana.
Indian foods are loaded with nutrition, including millets and cereals in the form of dosas and idlis, can add to the nutritional value of the food.
We have to be a bit more careful and sometimes creative and innovative to do that. And Indian mothers are good at it. So let's support to ourselves
To be a bit more contributing
towards our young children
and help them
become happy and healthy individuals.